guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shuan, and for those who are new, welcome. So for today, we'll be cooking 2 dishes using coconut milk or gata. For our first dish, we'll be making beef ginataan. And for our second dish, we'll be making Chicken Bicol Express. So I hope you enjoy this, and if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so by clicking the link down below, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post a new one. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Now, without further ado, let's begin cooking. Okay, for beef ginataan, you will need about 1 cup of gata or coconut milk, 1 cup of beef. This is beef sukiyaki. Then a bunch of sigarilyas. You'll need 2 different types of chilies, the green chilies or yung siling haba, then the red chili or in Tagalog, siling labuyo. But I think this is the siling labuyo from Taiwan. And about half medium sized of onion. I already peeled it off. Then 2 cloves of garlic and salt and pepper to taste. So let's start preparing the ingredients first. Okay, to start with, let's remove yung dulo ng sigarilyas. I think there's a proper way to do this. Kailangan natatanggal yung edge nito, yung edge na yan. Pag ano kayo, that. This recipe is actually good for 2. So, kung mas marami kayo, you can double the size or yung quantity ng ingredients nyo. Actually, yung dalawang dish na gagawin natin is very similar with each other. Parang Bicol Express din tong beef ginataan natin. If you haven't tried cooking beef with coconut milk, you're missing out a lot. Super sarap niya. As in, I've done it several times. Talagang nakakagana siyang kainin. Lalo na kapag may sili. As in, mapapakanin ka sa sarap. So, you just cut this sigarilyas like this. So, you just need to cut it like this size. Maliliit lang. Para mas madali siyang kainin. I think not all people like sigarilyas. I don't know. But gusto ko siya. Kaso lang minsan, medyo mahal siya. Nakatsyempo lang ako ng medyo mura ngayon. Kaya, bumili ako. And I always pair this with beef. Kasi super sarap yun talaga. Kahit yung ginisang beef lang, kahit walang gata, sarap yan. You can remove this string. Kasi nakakairita din. Pag kinakain mo. Kahit sa mga bagu beans, di ba, pag may string, parang nakakairitang kainin. Set this aside. Next is the onion. Next is yung sili. Okay, we're all done. Now, let's start cooking. Okay, so, just heat up a bit of oil sa ating casserole. Once mainit na yung oil, pwede nang start gisahin yung sibuyas. Pag medyo translucent na yung sibuyas, you can add in the garlic. After a minute, you can now put in the beef. So, para manuot na yung anghang, ilagay nyo na rin yung sili. Pag lutong-luto na yung beef natin, then you can add in the coconut milk or yung gata. Talagang hinimay-himay ko yung beef para mas maganda siyang kainin pag ganyan kasi. If you're familiar with beef bulgogi, parang ganito. Ganito yung dating niya. I think our beef is all cooked. Now let's put in our gata. We will need to add in about 1/4 cup of water into this. You can add in also the salt and pepper para matimpla na. You can add in more later if needed after nyong ilagay yung gulay natin or yung sigarilyas. Just let it simmer for about a minute before nyo ilagay yung sigarilyas. Before you put in the sigarilyas pala, add another 1/4 cup of water. Medyo nakulo na siya, so you can add in the sigarilyas. Let it simmer pa for about 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, you can add in more salt kung sa tingin nyo kulang pa yung nilagay natin. Make sure halu-haluin nyo din from time to time para hindi dumikit sa ilalim yung ating niluluto and to avoid na magbuo yung coconut milk natin. Kasi may tendency siyang ganon na nagbubuo-buo kapag masyadong napapakuluan. Okay guys, you can try to taste it out para malaman nyo kung kailangan nyo pang dagdagan ng salt or timplahan nyo pa. Whew! Tama-tama lang. Perfect. Kung gusto nyo pang mas lutong-luto yung sigarilyas, you can let it simmer pa for another 2 minutes. Okay, our beef ginataan is now ready. Let's turn off the stove and prepare it for plating. So here it is guys, our beef ginataan. It's one of my favorite dish na ino-order ko pag makikita ko siya sa karinderya. Normally, kung ano siya, makikita niyo siya in a form of pork, gano'n. Pero, since I don't eat pork, I'll be cooking it with chicken instead. So, what is this recipe? It is the famous Bicol Express, the Chicken Bicol Express. For our ingredients, you will need 4 breast fillet, a bunch of bagu beans, 3 chili greens or siling haba, 1 medium-sized onion, red onion, and about 3 cloves of garlic. And of course, Bicol Express will not be complete without coconut milk. I'll be using the one from SM Bonus in can. So let's prep our ingredients first before we start cooking. Okay guys, ready na ang ating mga sangkap. Let's start cooking. Let's use a casserole pan, then put some oil. So, gisa muna tayo ng sibuyas. Lagi kong inuuna yung sibuyas kasi nga, mabilis masunog yung bawang. Pag medyo translucent na yung ating onion, ilagay nyo na rin yung bawang. Medyo matagal na rin ako hindi nakakaluto nito kasi wala akong nabili lagi na gata. Ay, ang gusto kong gata is yung talagang liquid. Hindi siya yung powder. Yung favorite ko na gata, yung tropical, laging wala sa supermarket. Wala rin ako mabilhan sa malapit dito sa amin sa Talipapa na nagbebenta ng gata. And mas preferred ko yung mga ganyan na in can or yung nasa pouch na gata kasi mas matagal mapanis yung pagkain kaysa dun sa fresh. Nalagay na natin yung sili. Tumatalsik yung buto ng sili. Konting gisa lang yan, then you can put in the chicken. Lutuin nyo lang maigi muna yung chicken. Kaya natin nilagay na muna yung sili bago yung chicken is para yung anghang ng sili manuot na dun sa chicken. So, habang niluluto nyo na yung chicken, syempre, timplahan na natin with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Yung a little bit ko, hindi a little bit. Sorry na. Gusto ko talaga maraming paminta. Masarap kasi yung paminta. Masarap yung lasa niya sa mga pagkain. Yung maraming paminta. Tapos isa pang nilalagay ko is patis. Yun talaga yung pampaalat ko sa lulutuin natin. Konting patis. Kasi tutubigan pa natin ng konti yan bukod dun sa gata. So, lulutuin natin. Now we can put in the bagu beans. So, mabilis lang talagang lutuin to, lalo na kung breast fillet naman yung gagamitin nyo. Pwede rin yung thigh fillet, kung anong mas prefer nyo. Minsan, mas madami akong maglagay ng bagu beans kaysa dun sa chicken. Depende sa ano nyo. Sa budget nyo. Pwede rin natin agad isunod yung gata. So, let's pour in the gata. And about 1/4 cup ng water. Dito ko lang din nilagay sa lata para mahugasan pa yung gata. We'll also add 1 chicken cube. Pandagdag lasa lang dun sa ating sabaw. So, haluin nyo lang konti, then let it come to boil. Okay, nakulo na siya. Dito nyo pwedeng hinaan yung kalan nyo. So, hayaan nyo lang siya mag-simmer for about 5 minutes para medyo mabawasan yung sabaw. Pwede nyo rin haluin from time to time para hindi dumikit sa ilalim yung ating chicken at hindi magbuo-buo yung gata. Okay guys, pwede na natin itong tikman kung okay na sa panlasa. Para kung kulang yung lasa, pwede pa natin dagdagan ng timpla. Ako, hindi ko agad sinusubo kasi mabilis ako mapasok. Mahina ang tolerance ko sa mainit. Ipan muna natin. Saktong-sakto. Okay, we can now turn off the stove. So, hayaan lang natin dyan for about 5 minutes ulit. Then, ready na natin siya for plating. Okay guys, that's our Chicken Bicol Express. So there you have it guys, our two very simple and easy recipes using gata or coconut milk, the Beef Ginataan and the Chicken Bicol Express. I hope you enjoyed our two recipes for today, and if you like it, please click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and follow me on Instagram at mycircleswith5. Thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!